Lens correction is another subtle effect in Lightroom, but one that can often be useful. All lenses create distortions and vignettes, some more than others. Lightroom has a built-in list of lenses that it can correct or remove these things. If you look closely, the walls aren't straight and there is a little vignetting on the image. If we want to fix this, we can add a lens correction and ensure it has chosen the correct lens. This will make the lines straighter in our image and remove the vignetting if desired. You can then adjust the amount of distortion correction and the amount of vignetting correction applied to the image.